everyone, Galiga26 here. For today's video is pre-made templates. Let's get started. Go to the browser and you will type the word pixlr.com. And then enter. Then you will click this pixlr.com. So this is the website. You can either choose or select Pixlr or Pixlr X. So Pixlr is photo editor and template designer. Next, you will click these templates. So this is all the pre-made templates. They have Instagram post. You can scroll up and down. Then for the Instagram story, then for the YouTube thumbnail, so they have new templates since Christmas is coming. Then for the YouTube channel art, then for the Facebook post, and they have also Facebook story, and Pinterest pin, and the last one is the Pinterest long pin. Next, for the template like this, the one with the yellow on the top, you cannot edit or use it because this is for the premium account. Take note, you can only use or edit the free template. So this is the free template, the one with the free word on the top. Next, we will try to make a YouTube thumbnail using the pre-made template. So you will click this YouTube thumbnail. Then you are going to select a template. You can click load more. Okay, this one. Then click use this template. Now we will edit this template. We will change the image and the text. So this is the image. Right click and then delete clear. I need to add another image. So let's say for example that image. Adjust the image. Then for the square, this one you can adjust. You can adjust the size. And the other square. Then for the text, you can remove the other text. This one you can rename. Then you will change it to, say for example, site word. Then adjust the text. Then you can duplicate the layer and drag it here, and then you will rename the second one to site word bingo. Then you will adjust the size also. Then you can adjust. You can either click the left and the right arrow. After editing and changing the text and photo, you can now save your work. So you will click this save, and then you will put a file name, let's say O1, then JPEG or PNG you can select, or PXC, but for the YouTube thumbnail it must be JPEG or PNG. Then you will click this download and then save file. Okay, done. Now I will locate the file. Okay, this is the file, and then open. So this is the file after downloading. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment below or hit the notification bell for more videos.